Today they called me out for 2014 vehicle with a key issue. The car came from auction and it has two key fobs. The physical keys works fine, but the key fob does not work. Alright, just arrived and it looks like the battery is dead. So I connect a jumper under the hood to make sure the vehicle has a battery and a good voltage. Once I did that, the screen powered on. As you can see on the dash, it clearly says key fob not detected. Let me show you closer. See, fourth key free not detected. Alright, before jumping to any complicated diagnosis, I'm going to assume this key fob originally worked with the vehicle. The most common issue in this key is maybe weak battery or dead battery. There's a quick emergency trick you can try before replacing the battery. Normally people try to holding the key this in different random positions like this or this, but holding it next to it, correct way, holding it directly next to push start in this exact orientation. See, those are all wrong that I'm showing, but this way you holding it and then pushing the button, it should work. And see, there you go, it worked. That confirms the issue is the key fob battery. Now I'm going to replace the battery for both fobs. Alright, I already replaced the key fob in the one and everything came back normal. Let me quickly show you how to open key fob in case you don't know. First, press this button to remove the physical key. Once the key is out, look for this small notch right there. Insert the key and gently twist the case, will separate. This way. And the battery inside is CR2032 battery. Remove it and replace it with the new one. I replaced the battery inside the key and now it's working perfectly. Now let me show you the second one. See this one, let me show you. Let me just find a place that show you that works. Here's the hazard light that comes on. And the second one. There you go. Perfect. No more key not detected message. And remember, if your key fob batteries dies and you don't have a replacement, you can start a car. Hold the key fob directly against the push start button in this orientation that I showed you, not sideways, not backward, but flat against it. You will usually see a small key symbol on the button. Hold it there and press start. That will allow the vehicle to start, read the chip. Some vehicles have their, slot under the, center console. You can put the key in that position and it will work. If this video helped you, please go ahead, subscribe. I post a real diagnostic videos like this every week. If you have any question, leave it in the comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I see it. Thank you for watching.